Name a better present for your kids than a storybook that features them as the main character. And not just that, it also has high quality images depicting them as the character. And guess what? It's completely free to use, download, and you can print it as well. So let me tell you exactly how you can create it. Go to gemini.google.com and upload an image of your child using this add files button and select from either uploading from your device, your Google Drive, or your photos. I'll select the device option and upload an image by clicking on it and selecting open. Now you have to enter in a prompt that is really simple, which says to create a story featuring the main character that is named Elara, which you can replace with the name of your children, and then you'll have to basically give a topic for the story. Lastly, I've asked it to keep the story cozy and gentle, perfect for bedtime. Now I'll hit enter and wait for story to be generated. Once your story is generated, you can copy it by this copy button here, and then you'll have to expand your menu and select gems where you'll find storybook, which you click and paste your story here and just hit enter. That's all the work you have to do. Now Gemini will create a storybook for you. Our storybook is generated, and let's open it in full screen by clicking on this full screen button, and you can turn the pages by clicking on the end of page, and you can see it is a beautiful story about Christmas and helping people in the town around Christmas. So now you can also listen to this storybook by clicking on this listen button, which will play an audio of this specific page. You can also change the audio settings by clicking on this button here and selecting whether you want a higher pitched voice or a lower pitched voice, or if you want to start from the beginning. Now to download this, you can click on this download button here, which will download a PDF of this storybook, which you can print later. So that's how you can create a perfect gift for your children in just a few minutes.